If you wonder what kind of the charger you can use with your Google Pixel 9, then I got few information for you. First of all, if you want to use the fast charging, then in this year Google actually raised the level of the fast charging, and you should actually get at least 20-watt charger. From other Android phones you can find 7.5 watt and it's called the fast charging, but in this Pixel you should get at least 20. If you get below this, you will still be able to charge your phone, but not that fast. And the fastest way to charge this phone is 45-watt charger. So you will hit the highest possible charging speed in this phone. And of course, it's recommended to use an original Google adapter, but you can still use non-original. Like for example, you can use non-original wireless charger, like this one, or charging brick. You can get from ASUS, from Xiaomi, from Huawei. Just try if it works with your phone in the store or from your friends, and then if it works you can try it and purchase with half of the price, because the Google one is actually expensive. Thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.